Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I unlocked, I think it's the Stella quest from Miss Joan in Heartopia. So as you can see, I triggered the gossip quest. Essentially, I got this story request which requires me to give Joan 3 fishes. Is it Miss Joan? Mrs. Joan? Okay, it's Mrs. Joan, my bad. And here, if I talk, there's the Gossip Princess's adventure, and that is how I triggered the Gossip Quest. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!